Arrays. Array, a kind of data structure that can store a fixed size, sequential collection of elements of the same type. An array is used to store a collection of data, but it is often more useful to think of an array as a collection of variables of the same type. Instead of declaring individual variables such as a number 0, number 1 up to number n, and also we can explain and number 99. You declare one array variable such as a number and use number in a square bracket 0, numbers 1 and up to numbers 99. To represent individual variables as a specific element in an array is accessed by an index. All arrays consist of contiguous memory location. The lowest address corresponds to the first element and the highest address to the last element. In the above diagram, here we see the first element stored in a first memory location, that is number 0. Number 1, number up to number 99. Number 99 is the last element in the diagram. Declaring arrays. To declare an array in C, programmer specifies the type of elements and number of elements required by an array as follows. Type of array name, array size. This is called as a single dimensional array. The array size must be an integer constant greater than 0 and type can be valid C data type. For example, to declare a 10 elements array called as a balance of type double, use this statement. Double balance 10. Here balance is a variable array and which is sufficient to hold up to 10 double numbers. Initializing array. You can initializing array either one by one or by using single statement as follows. Double balance. Double balance 5 equal to in curly bracket 1000.0, 2.0, 3.4, 7.0, 50.0. The number of values between braces cannot be larger than the number of elements that we declare for an array between square brackets. Sorry. If you omit the size of an array just be big enough to hold the initialization is created. Therefore, if you write double balance square bracket close equal to curly bracket 1000.0, 2.0, 3.4, 7.0, 50.0, you will create exactly the same array as you did the previous example. Following is an example to assign a single element of the array balance 4 equal to 50.0. The above statement assigning the fifth element in the array with the value of 50.0. All array have a 0 as the index of their first element, which is also called as a base index, and the last index of an array will be total size of array minus 1. Shown below the pictorial representation of array we discussed above. Here, balance is the array name, 1000.0 is the array value first stored in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 to 4 is a memory addressing, and the actual number was stored from 0 to 4. Accessing